Hi everybody, I have a great recipe for you today. It's my Scotch Bonnet chicken tenders with Scotch Bonnet mayonnaise sauce. It is delicious, it is great, it is so good. Delicious. Which is so creamy and nice and delicious. So good. Look at it. Very delicious, very moist and very delicious. And the Scotch Bonnet sauce just right. Mayonnaise sauce, it is just right. It's so good. Delicious. So good. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and give me that thumbs up. I need all the thumbs up I can get. Blessing everyone. Blessings from Eat Good TV. Today I have a special recipe for you. It's my Scotch Bonnet pepper chicken tenders. Here are the ingredients we need. We need sweet, spicy Scotch Bonnet hot pepper, and we need regular Scotch Bonnet pepper. We need garlic powder, onion powder, and salt. And over here we have our chicken tenders that we're going to season. And over here we have our all-purpose season. You can use any all-purpose season to season the flour. And we're going to have 2 cups of flour. Let's begin. We need half of teaspoon of the sweet and spicy Scotch Bonnet pepper. Half teaspoon of the regular Scotch Bonnet pepper. And this is gray Scotch Bonnet pepper. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A teaspoon of onion powder. We need some salt. Salt to taste. And we need some black pepper. And then we're just going to rub everything together. I'll add the black pepper later. A tablespoon of black pepper. Just rub everything together. Nicely combine. Then we're going to prepare the flour for frying. Now we are going to coat our chicken with the flour. But before we coat our chicken with the flour, we are going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning. You can use any brand. 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning to season the flour. And this brand is Island Spice, but you can use any all-purpose seasoning to the flour. And then we are going to coat our chicken and place it to fry. The pot is hot now, so I'm going to place them in the pot to fry. Don't overcrowd the pot. I'll place around 5 to fry at a time. Remove the chicken tenders from the pot. And while it's hot, add some of the Scotch Bonnet pepper to it to give it that nice flavor, that hotness to it. Just add some to it. Family, while the chicken is cooking, we are gonna make some mayonnaise Scotch Bonnet sauce. You can use sour cream too to make the sauce, but I'm just gonna make a little mayonnaise Scotch Bonnet sauce. So I'm just gonna mix it with a little of the Scotch Bonnet pepper. You can use as much pepper as you want. So we're just gonna mix it together. And this is a dipping sauce. You could add more if you want to, or less. It doesn't matter. And just mix it up. And you can add more pepper. If you want more Scotch Bonnet pepper, just add it to it. But this is our dipping sauce. Very tasty. Let me taste it. So good. So that's the dipping sauce for the chicken. There you have it, family. Your Scotch Bonnet chicken tenders and your Scotch Bonnet mayonnaise sauce. Bye from Eat Good TV. Love you. Wish you all the best. Bye.